Shotstack Review: The Future of Automated Video Editing. What if you could build a system that edits hundreds of videos automatically without touching a single timeline manually? That is exactly what Shotstack does, and it is one of the most underrated tools in the entire AI video space right now. Shotstack is not a video editor in the traditional sense. It is a video editing API, which means instead of opening a software interface and dragging clips around a timeline, you write instructions that tell the system exactly what to edit, how to edit it, and what to produce, and it executes those instructions automatically at scale. For solo creators, this might sound like overkill. For anyone building an automated content system or running a video production workflow across multiple channels, this is the infrastructure layer that makes everything else faster by an order of magnitude. Here is how it actually works in practical terms. You send Shotstack a JSON template, essentially a set of structured instructions, that defines your video's timeline. Which clips go where? What text overlays appear and when? What transitions run between segments? What audio sits at what volume level? What the output resolution and format should be. Shotstack takes those instructions, processes the edit in the cloud, and delivers a finished video file to your specified destination automatically. No rendering on your machine. No manual assembly. No interface to navigate. The use case that makes this genuinely powerful for YouTube automation is template-based production at volume. You build one master edit template, you swap out the dynamic variables, the script audio, the featured footage, the title text, and Shotstack generates a new finished video from that template every time. Run it across 60 video scripts and you have 60 edited videos produced automatically without a single manual edit. The integration capability is what separates Shotstack from every drag and drop editor available. It connects to your existing workflow through API calls, which means you can trigger video production automatically from other tools in your automation stack. Your AI generates a script, your voiceover tool produces the audio, and Shotstack assembles and delivers the finished video without you ever opening an editor. For developers and technically minded creators building serious automation systems, Shotstack is the future of video production at scale. The link and documentation are in the description. So here is the question. If an API can now edit videos automatically from a template without human intervention, at what point does video editing stop being a skill and start being a system configuration?